A customer is ready to buy furniture, and before placing an order, they have a few questions. Which sofa set they choose, which dining table will fit their space, or which wardrobe size is the right. If they don't get an instant answer, there's a good chance they leave and buy from another store. So that's exactly the problem we are solving in today's tutorial. As you can already see on your screen, this AI-powered WhatsApp assistant is handling customer inquiries, answering questions, and helping customers choose the right furniture automatically. Today, I'll show you exactly how to build it using Pabbly Chatflow. Nowadays, customers don't just want to see your products. They want guidance before making a purchase. They ask about sizes, colors, materials, pricing, and many other things. If your team has to answer the same questions repeatedly, it takes a lot of time. And during busy hours, some customers may not even receive the reply. That's where an AI-powered WhatsApp assistant becomes a game changer. Instead of making customers wait, the AI assistant instantly understands their requirements, answers their product-related questions, and recommends suitable furniture based on their needs. This means your business can handle more customer inquiries without increasing your staff. So whether you own a furniture showroom, a home decor business, an interior designer company, or any business that sells multiple products, you can customize this AI assistant according to your own catalog and let it assist your customers 24/7. So now you might be wondering how we are creating an AI assistant like this without writing any code. So the solution is Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow allows you to build professional WhatsApp chatbots and AI assistant through a simple visual builder. You can automate customer support, product inquiries, lead generation, AI conversations, and much more from a single platform. The interface is very beginner friendly, so even if you are creating your first AI assistant, you can build a powerful automation with just a few minutes. And the best part is that you don't have to purchase anything immediately. You can build this exact AI furniture assistant using the free trial available of Pabbly Chatflow. Customize it with your own products, business information, and AI knowledge base. Means you can train this AI assistant by using your own business knowledge base. And after using the tool, you'll find it useful and decide to upgrade. Then don't pay the regular price and simply use my coupon code MEHYT during checkout to get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. See if this AI assistant helps you to convert even a few additional inquiries into customer every month. It can easily recover the cost of your subscription. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the step-by-step creation of this complete WhatsApp AI furniture assistant using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and it will take you to the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you need to do the sign up process. Once you create your account, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. I am an existing user of Pabbly, so I'll click on the sign in option. After that, you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button. And it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. On the left hand side, you will see multiple powerful features of Pabbly Chatflow. In this tutorial, we are going to create an AI assistant. So for that, I am going in this AI assistant feature and see this page is going to be appear in front of me. Here you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. In few minutes, you will understand how you can create an AI assistant and what is knowledge base. See, I have already created some AI assistant before, and for creating a new one, you have to click on this plus add AI assistant button. After that, give your assistant a descriptive name. I'll enter as WhatsApp AI furniture assistant for product selection. Next, I'm clicking on this button and you will see our AI assistant is successfully created. Where at first you need to select the instructions type. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of instructions. I am selecting the AI agent. You can select anyone according to your choice. As soon as I can select the instructions type here, it will automatically generate the instructions for me. Instructions defines how the AI should behave and how AI assistant will give replies to your users. In simple terms, these are the rules that AI assistant needs to follow while giving the responses. You can also customize these instructions if you want to. After that, the temperature controls the creativity level of AI responses, as lower temperature gives stable and accurate values while high temperature gives creative and flexible responses. You can increase and decrease the temperature from here. Moving forward, here you need to select the model provider. That I am selecting as OpenAI. After that, you need to select the AI model variant. It will provide you multiple types of model variant. Here I am selecting the GPT-4o mini. Moving forward to the API key. See, for getting this API key, you need to go towards your OpenAI API keys page. See, this is my OpenAI API keys page, and for generating this API key, I am clicking on this plus create new secret key button. After that, the name is an optional. You can give it if you want to. The project I am selecting as default project, and the permission I am providing as all. After that, I am clicking on this create secret key button, and see, I got my API key. And I want you to know that for generating this API key, your OpenAI account is need to be paid. Now I am copying this API key from here and pasting it in this field. After pasting the API key, I am clicking on this connect button. See, it says that OpenAI key saved successfully. Moving forward are the AI assistant settings with multiple options, where the first one is header message. If you want to add any header, then you can enable this toggle add enter in this field. I am not adding. If you want any footer, then you can enable this toggle add enter it here. I am not adding this too. After the stop keywords, the stop keywords are those words that stop the AI assistant. For example, here I have entered the stop keyword as stop, and the customer will send exact that word while communicating with my AI assistant. Then my AI assistant will become stop, and on that point human inputs is required to restart the conversation. I am not adding any stop keywords too, but you can add it if you want to. After that, the retry attempts. Retry attempts is defined as how many times your AI assistant will retry to give replies to your customers if something goes wrong. You can increase it till 10. I am not increasing it as well. And the last one is fallback message. The fallback message is the message that sends to the customer if your assistant fails to reply due to some technical error such as API key problem or in connection issue. Then this fallback message is going to be sent to your customers for the better conversation. I have entered this fallback message. You can change it completely based on your company, organization or the furniture store. Now I'm moving forward to the most important and the crucial part of doing the setup of your AI assistant, that is knowledge source. Here you have to upload the knowledge base file. Now what is knowledge base? So knowledge base is the information bank for your AI assistant. With knowledge base, AI assistant gives business specific and accurate replies, but without knowledge base, AI assistant gives general responses. As in this tutorial, I have created an automated WhatsApp AI assistant for the furniture showroom. So for that, I have already created one knowledge base file before. See, this is how the knowledge base file look like. It is used for furniture, home decor, office furniture or an interior solutions industry. The goal of this AI assistant is to help customers choose the perfect furniture based on their room size, budget, style preferences, material, color and much more. Inside this, I have added all the information related to my company. Here I designed this knowledge base file by my choice, but you can customize it. For creating a knowledge base file, you can use Google Docs or any other platform, by the help of which you can create a PDF or the text formatted file. The file size should be less than 90 MB and the accepted format are .txt or .pdf. There is no page limit for text PDF, but if the PDF has images, then it is limited to 10 pages. I have created this file by using Google Docs. Now for uploading a knowledge base file, you have to click on this option, click on this add new file and upload it from your gallery. See, here I have uploaded. Next I'm clicking on this upload files button. See, here I have selected. After that I'm selecting this file from here and clicking on this insert button. And this is how easily you can upload a knowledge base file while doing the setup of the AI assistant by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now I am moving forward to the assistant interface. Here you can give design to your AI assistant by making changes in each of these fields. At first I am entering the heading as comfortness furniture, as it is visible that as soon as I have make any changes in this field, it will automatically change here too. So basically this is the final look of the assistant that is going to be visible in front of your customer. After the subheading, I am replacing with find the perfect furniture for every room in your home, and the initial message is welcome to Comfortness Furniture. Tell me what you are looking for and I'll recommend the perfect furniture based on your room style and budget. Here I added only one initial message, but you can add two. Now the label that is powered by Pabbly, you can disable it from here if you want to. After the footer text, I have entered as privacy policy, also added one footer link, and the user first message I have entered as I need help. You can change it if you want to. Now I am going towards the next step, that is styling. Here you can give style to your AI assistant by making changes in its themes, colors and shape. As it is looking good, so I am not changing, but you can customize it from here if you want to. After that, I am enabling this toggle so that my assistant will become active and clicking on the Save AI Assistant button. So that's it. You will successfully learn how to create an AI agent by using Pabbly Chatflow. After that, you can also access this AI assistant inside your websites as well. Yes, you heard right. So for that, you need to click on this embed button and it will provide you the code of this AI assistant. You have to copy this code and paste it inside your websites, and this AI assistant is going to be accessible inside your websites as well. So this is the magic of Pabbly Chatflow. Now after doing this setup, I am clicking on the settings option and going inside this inbox settings. Now I am going to set this AI assistant to all of my contacts. See, this is the inbox settings of Pabbly Chatflow, where you have to scroll down and you will see one option by the name of AI auto reply settings. You have to make sure that to enable this toggle and select the contact list from here to which you want to set the AI assistant. That I am selecting as all contact and selecting the AI assistant from this drop down as well. After that, I am clicking on the save button. See, the inbox settings saved successfully. So now I think you might be wondering how you can add your own contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow. So for that, you have to go in this contacts feature and click on this plus add contacts button. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add bulk contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. You can upload up to 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. This is the power of automation. So this is how amazing this tool is. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while creating this amazing AI assistant, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. And not only this, you can customize this AI assistant for your own business use case as well. The steps are almost same. You need to understand the logic only. This AI assistant will work 24/7 for your own business, provide instant support to your customers, guide them, recommend the best product to them, and provide them accurate replies based on the knowledge base you have given. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing WhatsApp AI powered assistant for your own business too. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.